Hi guys! Guess what? Today we're gonna be playing with slime. So before we get into this video, I just want to give a special shout out to my bestie, my only, and besides Scaleri, but my number one bestie, Jasmine Payne. Give a shout out to her. So we be FaceTiming each other, and she made me some slime, brought it to me. And I'm so thankful for that. So thank you, Jasmine. And I gotta go check out her YouTube channel because she gave a shout out to me. Okay. So guys, go check out her channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Some good comments, no bad comments. And sorry about this, Jasmine, but don't talk about her nose. She has a good personality. She's a good friend. Okay, you probably be like, "Ooh, that girl ugly." No, she's not ugly. She's beautiful in her own ways. No offense, Jasmine, but I'm just trying to stand up for you, okay, girl? But yeah, I'm just gonna play with this slime. First, I'm gonna shape it. I'm gonna shape it before I play with it. So make sure you don't get this sticky slime on your mom's carpet. See, watch this. It's not going away. Oh, that was sticky now. But see, it's sticking all over me. And she made this pretty quick. So thank you, Jasmine. And I'm thankful she brought this slime to me. But I'm going to play with this every day and make sure it doesn't dry out because I do not want it to dry out, Okay, so I'm about to shape it and I want to get some of the slime out of here. You know what? That doesn't matter. I'm just going to shape it real quick. Thank you, Jasmine. And if you want to see her YouTube channel, which I think I've already said this, her YouTube channel is Jasmine Payne. Or if it's not right, it's Lil Jasmine Payne. But I don't know. I'm just rolling it into a ball. Flatten it a little bit. And okay, now it's just so satisfying when you like poke holes in it and like the way it sounds. So that will be it for this video. I know this video was short, but you will get some long ones. So bye guys.